view. Welcome to Car Update Pro. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most futuristic machines ever created, the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio GT 2026, showcased in the jaw-dropping dark Ho Hor finish. This is where design, technology, and raw electric performance meet the future. Exterior design. The dark Ho Hor color is a special edition deep matte tone, Lamborghini's most enigmatic finish to date. Under light, it shifts subtly between black, charcoal, and deep metallic. Gray, it's sinister, stealthy, and spectacular. Up front, the Y-shaped signature LED lights dominate. Active aerodynamic panels adjust on the fly. And those wheels? 22-inch center-lock carbon fiber with integrated airflow tunnels for brake cooling. Interior. Inside, Lamborghini blends minimalism with cutting-edge innovation. The cockpit is driver-focused, wrapped in Alcantara, forged carbon, and OLED glass surfaces. The steering wheel is a race-inspired hexagonal flat design, and the displays are holographic, customizable, and gesture-controlled. Seats are built with adaptive support systems. They adjust dynamically based on G-forces and driver posture. And yes, it features full Level 3 autonomy when you want to sit back and cruise. Performance. The 2026 Terzo Millennio GT features 4 in-wheel electric motors, each independently controlled, delivering over 1,300 horsepower to 60 in just 2.1 seconds, and a top speed electronically limited to 402 km/h, 250 mph. But here's the genius. Lamborghini's proprietary supercapacitor system replaces conventional batteries. That means faster energy discharge, quicker recharges, and unmatched responsiveness. Coupled with a self-healing carbon fiber chassis that monitors and repairs micro damage, the Millennio GT isn't just powerful, it's alive.